Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix your problems or issues that you have on Pinterest. To know how to fix or to solve Pinterest poster, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to this window of Pinterest. Sorry, not here. We go to Pinterest, then we click for stop. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.